Hey guys, TJ from OG Racing. Today we have a very special guest. Liv is here, and we're gonna pimp her helmet.
Hey.
Today we're gonna show you how to put combs in it. We're gonna pimp it out with all sorts of pretty pink and purple, and we're gonna do it right.
Let's wire this bad boy up. Now we have a very naked helmet.
Left.
Oh.
Probably the greatest thing that Bell's done for us in a long time is create all of these channels. And that's where our mic's at.
Boom.
You want this to literally live on your mouth. So we are gonna glue and then glue and then glue, and then when we think we're done gluing, we're gonna glue just a little bit more.
I would love to glue.
All right. So we were gonna fill this whole channel in. Yeah, there you go.
Here we go.
Now comes the daunting task of hanging out while that sets up. I am a firm believer that earbuds are the best, and if you put these in your helmet, you are just asking for disaster. This is so much better. You really don't want that. Please don't put that in your helmet. Please don't make me put that in your helmet. So now, all we have to do is put the cheek pad back in the helmet.
Boom.
So we could leave this like this if we really wanted to, and we really just didn't care. I'd love you for to not do this. So, what do you think, Liv?
It's just popping off the chains.
So now you've been OG pimp.